Alright, back here again for another episode. Got this beautiful dome piston. It's not even at top dead center, it's already poking out. But yeah. We're about to get the cylinder heads on, right?
Yes, sir.
Cool. We're gonna start prepping everything, start getting these head studs out of the box and start getting them put on. Also got the head gaskets in here somewhere. There they are. Cool. Pop these guys out. Get those all set up. Alright, here's a quick look of what's inside the box. Seems like you got 20 nuts, so 10 on each side. So 10 head studs. Comes with the assembly lube and the needed washers. So this is what you want to get if you ever want to push any kind of like big power or higher compression on a Coyote. I know stock head bolts usually they can handle a good bit, but if you want that safe reliability, then you get some of these. So that's part number. Gonna go ahead, clean these up, get the assembly lube on them, and start putting the studs in first. Alright, so meanwhile, I'm here also. We're actually going to be working on the red car again some more. So we took the dash out to clean up some of the wiring because it did have some Bobo freaking alarm system installed. And we just did it this way to make it a lot easier to run the wiring harness for the control pack. You can see we got some spiders because it's been sitting. But how we ran it was where the old ECU harness used to run through the firewall, we just ran it the same way. So all you gotta do is, of course, pull your dash. There's a whole video on that. I'll try and link it in the description. But it's actually a really good video. Shows you exactly where all the bolts are and what their size is and what all you need. So I'm not gonna go through that. But to run it through the firewall, all you gotta do is just pop off these two, I think they were like 12 mils, and then like 2 bolts on the front. This slides forward and you can slip it in there. But for now that we got the harness ran, we're actually gonna have the fuse box in the car, in the glove box, nice and tucked, and we're gonna put the dash back in, get everything bolted back up. We already got the Hydro Boost set up, so having the dash out kind of helped a lot too, to swap all that stuff out. And we're still running stock pedals, unlike my car where I got a new pedal. So we'll see how the difference is between the two, because they're both similar setups, except I think this one uses a Team Z conversion kit. But yeah, so gonna get this installed and get it knocked out, and I'll show you guys how it looks once it's all done. Cool. So got the dash partially in, got it screwed on the top. Gotta work on the bottom screws and start reconnecting a lot of this wiring. Cut off some more of this jacked up freaking harness wiring that they for the alarm. But yeah, so that's set up. Over here, we're ready for a cylinder head, right?
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah. Clean it up?
Yeah. Shit, there's literally no room to even breathe right now.
Alright. Well,
what I need to do is
make a little bit of room here. Yeah, it's a shame that we gotta like hide these like really nice pistons. So it's a shame that we gotta hide these like really nice pistons. Stick out crazy amounts. Clean all that up. Got the head studs in. engine's literally doubled in size already. Or tripled. So now we just gotta torque them down. Cool. Alright, cool. Well, I'm not really gonna bore them with all torquing down the cylinder heads, so we'll see how it looks after it's all torqued down. Ooh, there it is. Tiny little motor just got like 3 times bigger, but there you see the nice head studs all torqued down, ready to go. Cleaned up the intake ports. Just get these set up so we can get a fresh seal with the new manifold. Over here we have the old cams. These are Bosco 2 cams. Tucked away. I hear that the new cams are showing up tomorrow, so we won't be needing these anymore. So hopefully we can start, you know, playing with some of this stuff next. Alright, cool. So came back and started working on the red car again. Starting to look a lot better. Got a lot of the wiring up underneath the dash all plugged in. I still got to do a little bit more final touches on tucking some stuff up. But yeah, so now I finally have the steering wheel. It's all wired. Back end, that's a pain in the ass. This shit's a pain in the ass. All this stuff over here is a pain in the ass. But we got her all set up. And hopefully on the next video, I will be showing you guys how to actually wire this, how to properly wire the control pack to the car. So simple, just a couple wires, nothing too crazy. I think it'll be like 3 or 4 wires that will go to here. This green one will actually be going to the fuel pump. It already has its own relay, so you don't have to reuse your own. And then you got your, you know, neutral safety switch and one other wire, but we'll worry about that on the next video. So far I'm pretty happy on how far this car has come. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna call that a day. And at least you guys got to see the motor get assembled. You guys got to see all that good stuff. So I think I'll call it a day and catch y'all on the next one. So peace out.